Good evening, YouTube modeling community. Welcome to Morris Custom Model Shop. James Morris here, saying God bless all here. Well, I finished the Dodge Truck Month build a couple days late, but hey, I finished it. What do you know about that? It was a pain. I gotta say, it looks real good on the box here, but understand it's a multi-piece body. The front valance is a separate piece that does not attach to the hood. The side panels are separate pieces. The rear panel is a separate piece. And it's not the best fitting kit I've ever seen. But I don't like to complain about kits because I've always felt like kits are what you make of them. So, without further ado, here is what I came up with. There it is in all its glory. I've got a slideshow after this. You'll see this decal on the back better in the slideshow photos than you can here. It's a snake in flames. Since it's Sidewinder, I thought that was appropriate. The decals for the kit were useless. Even after I sprayed them with clear coat, they still just fell apart when you tried to do anything with them. So I wound up painting the taillights in here with Malto Chrome and then Tamiya Clear Red in order to make tail lights, and I used a strip of red vinyl right here to make the center light. And there's the side view of it. And even the hinges, I put this thing on, and the hinge mount points here and the mount points on the hinge themselves, they're not even close. Where it shows you to glue these things, they're not even close to mounting right. But there's the engine. Here's a look at the underbody. I've got, like I say, a slideshow that shows off the detail painting and everything to a greater degree. Most everything is just box stock coming in the kit. One thing, it had real nice rotors in the kit, but there were no calipers. I don't know what the engineers were thinking when they made a kit with rotors and no calipers, unless they thought, well, it's an old Dodge, it won't never run enough to need to be stopped anyway. It's kind of what you'd think about it, isn't it, Benny? But anyway, there it is. I think Mr. Darby's putting on the truck month build. Gave me an excuse to build this old truck. I've had this kit a long time, as the decals have proven. But it come out pretty nice overall. Good little shelf model. I'll have like I say, I've got a slideshow after this. Let you get a better look at the interior and all the detailing I did on it. So on like that. Yeah, this one mirror is kind of sagging down a little bit on me, but oh well. That's just what the driver's got adjusted, isn't it? There it is. Hope you like it. I'll be getting on the Carolina Man build a little bit more. I've got some progress done on it and the Pro Street build. I'll probably put an update up here in the next little bit on those two. Show you what I've gotten done. Hope everybody had a wonderful Easter and having a good time. Everybody's weather is getting better. I know we need to keep some of our people in our prayers, and I am. So right now I'll be signing off, and hope y'all like this thing. It's, oh, incidentally, that's a Ford color. The Go Mango I had gone bongo, and so I ended up using Grabber Orange. Probably the only saving grace got Ford paint on it. So, alright. We thank y'all. Have a good evening.